Hey guys, I wanted to show you the 5 audio reels that are around the map on Blood of the Dead. And when you play these, you just go up and hit X or square. And you can only listen to these if you are on classic normal mode. If you've got mutations and custom lobby on, these reels will not show up. These audio reels are extremely interesting to listen to. When you first start listening to them, you think you're hearing the Warden speak, but that takes a little bit of a twist. And at one point, he's talking to someone that's not responding, like you can't hear them talk back, and he keeps calling him his lord. So there's some audios that there will be a pause after he says something, and who he's talking to is the Shadowman. These audio reels are important because you get to learn more about Alcatraz and why it exists, and then it tells you about some of the Easter egg steps and gives you clues to those. I'll show you guys all 5 locations and play all 5 of them right now.
Today is a red letter occasion. I sit in my sanctuary, brandy in hand, overlooking my prize. My prison. Mine. A temple of concrete and corrupted flesh, tilting on the axis of hell itself. Oh, it is beautiful. I can't recall the last time I indulged in spirits. They appear to have gone to my head. Congratulations and good luck. So thoughtful of the DOJ to send me a bottle after all their posturing and blathering and delays. Delays! But now the island is open. A full year early, thanks to me. And its true purpose. Our purpose. Written in the apocryphal pages of history, pulled from the flames of ignorance. Glass. The first drop of blood. Of course, it should be my own. Not too much now. Not yet. Oh, early to bed tonight. Tomorrow, I will be reborn. What am I doing wrong? Nothing. Every interpretation by every scholar I have made real in flesh and blood, and still the Dark Ones remain silent. They are deaf, blind, and dumb wherever it is they reside in the fabric of reality. Have I not bled the wicked? Have I not placed the markers on the proper lines? What more? What more? I am tired, and I have grown so very disturbed waiting for the release that was promised, but I fear will never be delivered. Because they do not exist. No. Wretched are the thralls who despair in darkness. Wretched, wretched, wretched! The work will continue, with or without the Illuminati. All they do is talk and scheme and pass judgment on methods that they deem unorthodox. What the hell with their protection? I will awaken this island, even if it takes every last soul in her walls. If I fail, I will be locked in here, and soon join them all in hell. The result is the same. No! Contraption! Yes, I can hear you. Apologies, my lord. I am here. Oh, thank you, my lord. Thank you. I've done my best to prepare the way. Please, where are you now? I see. Tell me what I must do. Salvatore, Finn, Billy, Al. Yes, my lord, I know these names. A trap for another. Forgive my ignorance, Lord, but how will I know what to
Sir, it's me, Stanley. We have a situation.
Damn the situation, Ferguson. You handle it. I am not to be disturbed.
I'm real sorry to interrupt your prayers, sir, but there's been a murder up on the roof. It's Al Arlington.
Arlington.
Yes, sir. Part of some kind of botched escape attempt. We got Sal DeLuca and his two cronies in custody. Looks like it was them.
I will stand as a wall between the living and the dead.
I'll be right there. The time has come. The sponge is wet on my crown. The cap screws tightened. The switch in my hand. Oh, I'm going to burn. Oh, the fools. They want justice for the toll I've extracted from this forsaken island.
Sir, there's some men from the Bureau here. I stalled them as long as I could, but they're on their way to your office now. What do you want me to tell them?
Justice? There is no such thing. There's only the will of the Dark One.
Okay. I'll just tell them you're not feeling so well then, yeah?
Do as you wish. Run, hide, beg for absolution, and perhaps he will be merciful, as he has been with me. My lord, you're here. Yes. Yes, the threshold. One last flash of light, and the sun shall vanish into the sea. The darkness shall spread. Through every fiber of creation it shall spread.
Listen, I told you, he ain't here. He went to see some special doc on the mainland. You guys are wasting your time.
I shall be its instrument.
Oh, come on, guys, cut me a break.
I shall bleed the chosen few. The gateway will open, and paradise will fall. Ah!
Yeah. See there? What'd I tell you? Nobody's home. Nothing here.
My lord, I entreat thee to speak. I have done as you asked. The remaining 3 of the first 4 shall die by electric chair this evening, and soon after I shall join them. It will be glorious in this new realm, Lord, I have no doubt, but I confess, I am afraid. This form is weak and has taken to drink, but I do cling to it still. Please, grant me the strength to... Yes, my lord, of course. My life is part of the disease, and the disease must be purged. I rejoice that day has come. Oh, thank you for saying so, my lord. Truth be told, I long for the miracle that will release me. Such an honor for me. The Doctor. I've heard mention of him amongst the Illuminati. What would you have of him? I swear, my lord, it will be done. Name it, my lord. Yes, Richtofen shall suffer.
Thank you for watching Glitching Queen's video! Hoorah!